Top 20 Apache NiFi interview questions. Question 1. What is Apache NiFi used for? A. Real-time data processing and integration. B. Data storage and archiving. C. Big data analytics. D. Distributed database management. The correct answer is A. Real-time data processing and integration. NiFi is used for automating data flows and real-time data integration. Question 2. Which protocol does NiFi support for data transfer? A. HTTP. B. FTP. C. SFTP. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. NiFi supports multiple protocols for data transfer, including HTTP, FTP, and SFTP. Question 3. Which component is responsible for orchestrating data flows in NiFi? A. Processor. B. Flow file. C. Controller service. D. Process group. The correct answer is A. Processor. Processors handle the actual data processing and manipulation in NiFi. Question 4. Which file format is commonly used in NiFi for data flow persistence? A. CSV. B. JSON. C. Flow file. D. Parquet. The correct answer is C. Flow file. NiFi uses flow files to represent data in a flow and manage state. Question 5. What is the role of NiFi's flow file in a data pipeline? A. Stores the actual data content. B. Monitors data flow progress. C. Provides security configurations. D. Defines the data flow logic. The correct answer is A. Stores the actual data content. Flow files carry the data and metadata through NiFi's data flow. Question 6. Which NiFi feature helps in handling data routing? A. Processors. B. Connections. C. Attributes. D. Flow controllers. The correct answer is B. Connections. Connections in NiFi route flow files from one processor to another. Question 7. What is a NiFi processor used for? A. To store flow files. B. To perform data transformations. C. To manage flow file storage. D. To control data flow. The correct answer is B. To perform data transformations. Processors handle data transformations like parsing, routing, and storing. Question 8. What type of data is NiFi best suited for? A. Real-time streaming data. B. Static data storage. C. Big data batch processing. D. Data warehousing. The correct answer is A. Real-time streaming data. NiFi excels at handling real-time, streaming data in complex workflows. Question 9. Which NiFi component is responsible for external service interaction? A. Processor. B. Controller service. C. Flow file. D. Processor group. The correct answer is B. Controller service. Controller services manage connections to external resources like databases or queues. Question 10. What does NiFi's back pressure feature do? A. Delays data flow based on queue capacity. B. Forces data to be processed immediately. C. Encrypts flow files. D. Deletes old flow files. The correct answer is A. Delays data flow based on queue capacity. Back pressure prevents overloading the system by controlling data flow. Question 11. What does NiFi's site-to-site feature do? A. Transfers data securely between NiFi instances. B. Uploads data to cloud storage. C. transfers data within a single NiFi instance. D. Stores flow files securely. The correct answer is A. Transfers data securely between NiFi instances. Site-to-site allows secure, efficient data transfer between NiFi instances. Question 12. Which NiFi processor would you use to interact with a database? A. Put database record. B. Get file. C. Query database table. D. Put SFTP. The correct answer is C. Query database table. Query database table allows NiFi to interact with databases to retrieve data. Question 13. Which of the following is a NiFi flow file attribute? A. File name. B. Processor name. C. Data type. D. Processor queue. The correct answer is A. File name. Flow file attributes provide metadata, like the file name or file path. Question 14. What is NiFi's primary use case? A. Real-time data ingestion. B. Big data processing. C. Batch data processing. D. Data warehousing. The correct answer is A. Real-time data ingestion. NiFi is ideal for ingesting, routing, and transforming real-time data. Question 15. Which processor in NiFi is used to get data from HTTP? A. Get HTTP. B. Invoke HTTP. C. Put HTTP. D. Get file. The correct answer is A. Get HTTP. Get HTTP retrieves data from an HTTP server in NiFi. Question 16. Which NiFi component provides a graphical user interface for building flows? A. NiFi UI. B. NiFi CLI. C. NiFi dashboard. D. NiFi GUI. The correct answer is A. NiFi UI. The NiFi UI allows users to design and manage data flows visually. Question 17. What is a NiFi processor group? A. A collection of processors in a single unit. B. A data storage system. C. A processor used for data transformation. D. A controller service. The correct answer is A. A collection of processors in a single unit. Processor groups organize related processors into a reusable unit. Question 18. How does NiFi handle data encryption? A. Through SSL/TLS for secure communication. B. Through built-in AES encryption. C. It doesn't support encryption. D. Through a third-party plugin. The correct answer is A. Through SSL/TLS for secure communication. NiFi uses SSL/TLS for secure communication and data encryption during transfer. Question 19. What is the primary use of NiFi's put file processor? A. To save data to a specified directory. B. To transfer files to HDFS. C. To send data to a remote server. D. To read data from a file. The correct answer is A. To save data to a specified directory. Put file stores flow files to a local or network file system. Question 20. How do you manage the flow of data in NiFi? A. By setting priorities on processors. B. Using flow file attributes. C. By configuring back pressure and relationships. D. By creating a custom data pipeline. The correct answer is C. By configuring back pressure and relationships. Back pressure and relationships control data flow, preventing overloads in NiFi.